Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Why would you want to know how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to switch to a personal account on Instagram. So today I am going to show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Switching back to a personal account on Instagram is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will switch back to a personal account on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram app in your device, and now here is my Instagram home screen, and then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner of this page, and now in this screen click on professional dashboard, and then click on settings icon in the top right corner, and now scroll down this page and click on preferences, and now again scroll down and click on switch account type, and now click on switch to personal account, and your personal account has been switched. So there you go. If you were wondering how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.